Hi, this is Justin with Justin's Web Design. I thought I'd take a moment and answer a question you should probably ask any professional person you're working with, and that's why should I work with you? In this case, why are the sites that I build better and different than my competition? The first thing that stands out about my service is the website costs. While a typical web designer will charge you between $1,500 and $2,500 for a simple website, with Justin's Web Design, my packages start at $195 for a professional website. The second reason why you may want to work with Justin's Web Design comes in when it's time to make website changes. With a typical web designer, you need to email them the changes, or in some odd cases, you actually have to fax in the changes, and it takes them a while to make those changes, and typically there's a charge for their time in order to make those changes. There's a potential of mistakes and all of that. With Justin's Web Design, I've created a system that allows you to instantly make your own changes. That means that in the time it would take you to send me an email and say, can you change this, this, and this, you can actually make those changes yourself, publish them, and they are live changes right then. Additionally, I offer training. While a typical web designer doesn't really need to offer you training because they aren't giving you a solution that allows you to make changes to your own website, with my solution where you can actually edit your own site, I provide online video training. It's just like you're looking over my shoulder while I show you how to get things done. Make changes, edit your text, add pictures, add links, all of that good stuff, just like you're looking over my shoulder while I show you how to do it. A more fundamental difference in how I approach websites has to do with the focus. I'm very focused on the end user experience. It's interesting, if you think about what Google has done, the reason why Google is so successful is because their focus is 100% on the end user experience. With a typical web designer, the focus a lot of times is on graphic design. They try and justify it in different ways, but basically they are artists, graphic artists, who are building a website. And while that might work out to some degree in print, on a website it's an information tool, and it's much more significant to focus on effectiveness. Ultimately, you're trying to get the end user to give you a phone call or place an order or take some action to help you build that relationship further. And the focus of Justin's Web Design is how to effectively do that at a very, very reasonable cost and with the best exposure in the search engines. Speaking of search engines, search engine optimization is another place where I diverge from many web designers. Most web designs done by graphic artists and graphic designers have little or no search engine optimization. With Justin's Web Design, I build each page to be search engine friendly, so the search engines know exactly what's going on in the content of your site. Additionally, I have packages available with high-end internet marketing tool websites that give you absolutely the best solutions. I'm talking about the blog hybrid sites, which you may learn about as you look through my website. Those give you even more potential as far as the search engines go. So what's your next step? Well, what I'd like you to do is take a look around my website. If you're on the website, you can just use the navigation on the left. If you're on YouTube or some other video site and you're watching this video, then you can go to Google, type in Justin's Web Design, or virtually any kind of combination there, or web design packages, or you can go directly to justinswebdesign.com and take a look at the different solutions I offer. Then when you're comfortable that I have the right solution for your business, then give me a call or send me an email and we can discuss your project and I'm happy to be a resource for you regardless whether you're using my services or not. I very much appreciate you taking your time to watch this video, and I look forward to working with you in the future. Thank you.